Hello friends, the universe is all of space, time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies and all other forms of matter and energy. It's stranger than we can imagine. I am Vihanj and today I will share 10 most astounding space discoveries. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun, and the Sun is considered an average sized star. If you wanted to try and fill up the Sun with Earths, it would take 1.3 million Earths to match the volume of the Sun. You won't be able to walk on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus or Neptune because they have no solid surface. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have collectively make up the group known as the Jovian planets. The Jovian planets have relatively small dense cores surrounded by massive layers of gas made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. The sunset on Mars appears blue. The red planet witnesses a blue sunset. On Mars, the dust particles in the sun's direction scatter blue light forward to create a cool blue sunset near the horizon. Space is completely silent. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there's no atmosphere in the vacuum of space, the realm between stars will always be silent. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Venus has extremely slow axis rotation that takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full cycle. Funny enough, it takes Venus even less time in Earth days in order to complete one revolution around the Sun. That's 226 Earth days. Pluto is smaller than the United States. Pluto is not very big, it is only half as wide as the United States. Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon. The moon is drifting away from Earth. Every year the moon is drifting away from Earth by 3.8 centimeters. Scientists do believe that eventually the moon will move out of the field of Earth's gravity. However, this won't happen for the next billion years to come. Nobody knows how many stars are there in space. It is impossible to predict just how many stars are there in our universe. Right now, as per the scientists and astronomers, there is an estimate of 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way itself. With this, there are billions of galaxies in our universe. Only 5% of the universe is visible from the Earth. 68% of the universe is dark energy and 27% is dark matter. Both of these are invisible even with a telescope, which means we are only able to see 5% of the universe. We always see the same side of moon no matter where we stand on Earth. This is because the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it rotates the Earth. It's known as synchronous rotation or tidal locking. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Bye bye.